Today we are making some dalma. Put the gas to one
To 9.
9.
First you need to switch on the light. How could you see it?
Oh yeah. That's
what it is.
We put it onto 1.
Put it into 9.
9. The first one is 9. Okay, that is boiling hot.
Yeah.
That is 9. That's the
Start.
highest one, literally. So there we put some cold water.
Yes.
Yeah. It'll turn boiling hot. So we put some cold water in here. Now we'll put this into here. So,
What is this?
oh, pour it. I was like, what? But we're adding the water from there as well.
It's okay.
Oh no, we need all of that now. Get it off of the top. Get all of that in there. From the corners. Look, there's one over here. And now, oh! Got a bunch of cut up things here. So number 1 is tomato we cut up. Number 2 is some carrot. Number 3 is pumpkin. Number 4 is eggplant. And number 5 is
Radish.
radish. Any more?
And potatoes.
And number 6 is potatoes. Number 7, the worst one, chili. I hate chilies. They're quite small.
Okay, let's add in all the vegetables. Here goes aubergine.
Eggplant.
Yeah,
I mean.
same.
And some tomato.
Here goes pumpkins.
More tomato. And more tomato. Why am I doing it in twos? Now some potato instead of tomato. Carrot, tomato, and eek. What is over here? And the last one I hate, but I like when it makes it spicy, which is chili.
Then the next one is here some crushed ginger.
Yeah. I thought it was something like that.
The next main ingredient is grated coconut.
I want to add some.
Rick?
I want to add some. You want to add some?
Okay, hold this.
Oh. Yeah. Ooh, that's a
Enough.
lot of.
Yeah.
I do like it when it's in that turmeric taste. I spilled a quarter. So that's fine. Well, that's a lot of salt. Now we got quite a big spoon.
Just
And,
stir it
yeah,
once.
stir it in. I don't know. It's literally like cooking soup and vegetables. Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of, you can call it, is a dal soup.
Soup, yeah. It's feeling like it is quite fully a soup because it's got water in there, right? Get it? So now we're going to put the lid on. Come on. Now put this on properly. Press it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it. And we'll wait for a few minutes.
Yeah. Maybe a couple of whistles.
So now we'll need to look how the dalma is at the moment. Oh my. How do you even take that thing off? Oh. Ooh, that is surely a good thing. We need a good mix now. Ooh, that looks delicious. Now let's start
Now let's prepare
the toppings.
not toppings,
Like toppings. It's like the toppers.
like masala.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Masala is a topper. It's a topping. It's a topping for it.
The Jeera.
I want to add the I want to add Jeera. Now we need some chilli in there, which we will crush later on. We'll crush the rest of it. It's going to be quite spicy because we added a green chilli in there. Now we're adding crunched up dry chilli. I want to add these.
Cardamom.
I don't like these little bits. I don't know what you think. Now we need to just kind of mix it like just, you know, kind of like that. Just how you make pancakes. Just like that. A little bit of a mix would make it good. Yep, I'll open it.
Put it tight.
Oh. Okay, good. How many? 1 or 2? 2 would be fine. Okay. I want to see. Oh my, this is literally just like wood.
Cinnamon.
Oh.
Skin of the wood. Bark. Call it.
It's like that, but we can eat it.
Let's toast it for a while now.
That's why I was literally doing that. I can't do it. I want to do that. Oh, it's so heavy to do that, literally. I can't do it. I can't do it. It's too hard. That is amazing.
Smell is started coming. Can you smell it?
Yeah, it's
Not
quite.
too hot. Just do it.
I wanna.
No. Just burn your finger.
What? And how do you not?
Hmm?
How do you not burn your finger? It works. That's not really. It's not still working. I don't know why. Help! It's not even working. What? Oh. Okay. I wanna.
Wait.
I wanna do it. I want to do it like that. Okay. Oh my. It is kind of working. This is going to get really spicy today. It is working. I can do it. I want to do it.
Man.
Now we're quite finished with the masala. Well, nearly. Need to kind of mix in, take it off of the edges. And I want to pour it in. So, I think a little bit more. Yeah, that was what I was thinking. Oh, it's okay. A little bit more because I dropped it. Because I dropped it, I'm just adding some more. What? Like that? No. I feel scared like that. Put that spoon back in there. Ooh, that is really small. Hing? What's hing? I want to mix it. Oh, no, I'm not. I am not mixing that thing. That is what I call I am mixing them. Can add some more of that.
Let me pour in here.
Ooh, that's great sound. Chunk, chunky.
You have this much of ghee and
Yeah, quite a generous amount. Now we'll need to mix it,
stir it.
then it'll melt quicker.
Now it is testing time.
Oh, I am not tasting that. It's burning hot. How is it?
It's good. Salt is very less.
Oh, that.
Very spicy too. So yeah.
You can make the spice go down by adding a little bit of water or something.
It's okay. I like with the rice. For now, this is our Odia Dalma prepared by Paulina Sahu.
No, you.
So thank you guys. Thank you for watching our
Video.
video.